Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful, awesome pasta dinner for 5 people for less than $10. And I got everything at the Dollar Tree. The recipe will be in the info box below. To get started, we are going to fry 4 of these sausage, pork classic breakfast sausage. Does that even make sense? But anyway, so you just fry them. Once they are fully cooked, what I did is I pushed all the cooked sausage to one side of the pan, and I tilted the pan in such a way so that all the grease ends up on one section and you get all the beautiful sausage on the other side. Okay, to get our pasta ready, what I did is I boiled about 7 quarts of water, added the pasta, a little bit of olive oil, and a pinch of salt, and once it's nice and soft, you're ready to go. Now that we're done with our pasta, we get to add the parsley, salt, and some pepper, 1 can of chopped tomatoes to the sausage. And finally, we add our cooked pasta, some minced onion, and olive oil. And there it is, you're done. Isn't this beautiful? It is so tasty, so simple to make, and like I said, it feeds 5 people or more depending on who's eating. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it out. Please visit me at venusbloom.com for more tidbits and all sorts of stuff. Thank you. Bye.